Get away from my car right now. Call the police. He was trying to steal our converter. Just now. Yeah. Someone's trying to steal our converter off our car. Isn't that crazy?
Hey, 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 get out of there.
Get out.
What are you doing?
Thanks for watching.
Hello?
Subscribe and like for more.